Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block spam calls and messages on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to block your spam calls or messages, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app and here just select three dots in the top right corner, select settings. In settings, just look for caller ID and spam, just tap on it and then you must have to enable these two settings, which is caller and spam ID, and the second one is filter spam call. It will prevent suspended calls, spam calls from disturbing you. And then go back, and here you just have to easily report any call as spam. Just keep a long press on the number, then select block or report spam here, and here you just have to enable this one, then select block, and after that you can easily block the spam call on your phone. Now go back, go to messages app, and here just look for any spam messages which is disturbing you. Just keep a long press on it, then select three dots in the top right corner, select block, and here just enable this first, which is reposed as spam, and then select yes. In this way you can easily block any spam message on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video, bye bye.